welcome to the Automotive Technology Lab. I'm here with our Auto Lube instructor, Mark Braddock. Mark, tell us a little bit about yourself.
I got in the auto service industry probably about 1980, and I've been an ASE Master Technician since about 1995. I'm also an advanced drivability specialist, a Chrysler Master Technician, one of the first Viper certified technicians in the nation. So a little bit of experience.
Mark, what kinds of skills do students learn when they take the Automotive Lube Tech program?
The skill set that we're trying to pass on to the students here is basic things that you need to know for entry level. Everybody is going to start as a lube tech if they go into auto technology. I pretty much don't care what kind of education you go for, but that's where you're going to start. And this is we're trying to learn the things that we're checking, recognizing parts, being able to do inspections, and doing it in a timely fashion.
So one of the unique things about our Automotive Lube Technician program is it's part of our adult diploma program. So some of the students take this program, and after earning what credential do they get when they complete this course?
We take a test to certify them from the American Oil Change Institute.
Okay.
And that's a good place to start. With a little more training, they could probably get into taking the ASE G1, which is a regular maintenance class, or a regular maintenance test, and it's certified in that too.
Okay. So students that have not graduated from high school can come and take this program, earn their credential through the National Oil Change, and also an adult high school diploma from the state of Ohio. So that's just one of our offerings. We also offer adult diplomas in welding, STNA, dental assisting, machining, and basic office support services. So, anything else, Mark?
All I'm trying to do is get these people ready after all the COVID thing and that going on to get out there. They're anxious to get their training completed and go find a job.
All right. Thanks, Mark.